welcome. Today I'm going to make pasta in my electric kettle. So let's get started. First, I will be boiling the water in the kettle and then I will add the pasta in it. I'm using capsicum, tomatoes, chili, onion, garlic, and if you like eggs, you can add eggs also. Let me add the pasta. I'm using these kind of pasta, spiral ones. I'm adding the pasta to the water. Done. I'll let it boil. In the meantime, I'll chop the vegetables and drink my coffee. It is boiling. You can stir it, either it will get stuck on the bottom of the kettle. Oopsie. Let it boil. So my pasta has boiled. It's time to drain it off, but don't throw the water away. I'll strain the water in a glass and we will use this stock to make the soup later. There it is. You should not boil the pasta too much, else it will just become a paste. You have to boil the pasta al dente, that is, it should be a bit hard when you cut with a knife. I'll show you. See, there it is. It should be firm, a bit firm. There. You can feel that it's a bit firm, not all boiled. So I'll drain it off. I'll add some olive oil in the pasta. A bit of olive oil in the boiled pasta to enhance the flavor. Give it a quick shake and then there. Now is the time for the vegetables to get done. I'll add some olive oil. There. Now I'm adding this garlic into the olive oil. I'll add the ginger. The green chili. And I'll add the onions later on. First I'll have to stir it. See, there it is. It's getting done. Now add the onions. It will give a good aroma. The ginger, garlic and onions together. Add the green chili. There. There we go. Now we will stir it. There. I'm getting these fried nicely. This lid is a big hindrance to my cooking that I can't do without it. I'll let it stay like this. While this is frying, you can add some extra load of chilies if you like. I'm adding extra load of chilies. It is very easy to cut a chili which is like semi-dried with a scissor. There. It's gonna be spicy. Delicious. Now, I'll add this chili also. Wow. Now is the time to toss some sugar and some salt in that. Make it quick, because I'm hungry. Some salt and some sugar. A bit of sugar, not much, see? I'm adding the sugar because the flavor of the tomatoes is enhanced by adding sugar. Now, I will cut my tomatoes and toss it in. Fresh tomatoes. Wow, awesome. There you go. Nicely stir it, and you're gonna let it fry on and off till the tomatoes has melted and this has become a good consistent red sauce. There. Come on, cook quickly. I'm hungry. Now I'm going to add the pasta masala here. So odd. When you have to do things very fast, there must be some hurdles you gotta cross. Adding the pasta masala there and stirring it. I'm so hungry right now. Come on, cook fast. Brr. See, the kettle is on now. It's daytime and I think the light is better now. Cook, come on, cook. Yeah. The tomatoes has all got mashed now. And it's gonna be a good red sauce. Now I will toss in the capsicum. Yes. And then give it a quick stir. I'll show you this one. Giving the zoom in look. There. Can you see? It's cooking. I'll hold the lid. This lead is my biggest enemy right now. There. Switch it on again. Stir it. Now, see, you can see the tomatoes has melted and it's got a good red color. So I'll add a bit of stock. This stock that I had drained from the pasta, a bit of it, and then stir it. You can see the consistency of the sauce has become good. See, now to enhance the flavor of my pasta, I will be adding cheese. I'm using Amul cheese. And I will be grating this cheese in my pasta. It will give me a good cheesy flavor. Do you like cheese? If you don't like cheese, you can skip this step because this is totally optional. You can use the cheese for dressing also. You can add as much cheese as you like. See? I will stir it. The grated cheese will melt in the heat and give a good, very good flavor. I'm going to add this egg in my pasta, but this is a very optional step. You can also skip it. So I will do a thing here. I will only add the yolk now, and later on I will fry the albumin. For this, you have to separate the yolk from the albumin. First, let me break the egg. Very carefully, see, like this. Let fall the albumin and take the yolk in the shell. There. Now, you transfer this yolk in this shell and let the albumin fall. There. And this part is the chalaza. You have to separate it out from the yolk. There it is. It's ready. Now, see the yolk? Nice and good. I'll add this yolk into my pasta. Here. Ta-da! I'll show it to you. There, you see, I have added the yolk. And I'll stir it. You have to stir it while the kettle is off. I'm adding the yolk separately because the yolk has a lot of fat and a low amount of protein. So if you add the yolk in the sauce, it will give you a good consistency and the curdling effect of the yolk of the egg will not occur. I will add this albumin at later stage. Also, you can skip the albumin. The yolk gives a very creamy texture to the sauce and I really like it. Now, after adding the yolk, I have switched it on and I will simmer it. Wow, delicious. I'll add a bit more of stock. If you like more soup, you can add more stock, else you can skip it. If you like dry pasta, I like it soupy. And don't forget to add adequate amount of salt according to your taste. Although don't add too much salt. There. Let it boil. Wow. It's looking good, really good. And I'm still hungry. There, you can see it boiling. Oops, oops, oops. There. Now, when it has got boiled, I'll toss in the pasta. There. Mix it. Let it boil. It's almost ready. Tick tock, tick tock. It's almost ready. You can see I have put the pasta in the bowl and it's almost ready. Just a bit of garnishing. I'll be grating this cheese over my pasta and then I will show you. There. I'm almost done. You know, I was talking about adding this leftover yolk, but you know, you can add it now also, this raw yolk over the pasta. Will I? No, I'm just joking. Just kidding. What you can do is you can heat some oil in the kettle and make this yolk into a good omelette, and then you can add that omelette over the pasta as a garnishing. But I don't have time right now because I'm really very hungry. I think I've repeated it 10 times for now. I don't know. Mamma mia! Wow! There, my pasta is ready. See? It's looking so delicious. Isn't it? Cooked so easily in this kettle. Now I'm going to eat it. It's very hot. Still, I'm going to taste a bit. Delicious. So why don't you try out this pasta recipe in your kettle and let me know in my comment section. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like cooking or if you enjoy eating food. Bye bye for now. See you next time.